Hi students, welcome to the video lecture 1 of module 4 topic computer numerical control. The contents of this topic are introduction, components of CNC, CNC programming, manual part programming, G codes, M codes, programming of simple components in turning, drilling and milling systems, programming with cant cycle and cutter radius compensations. First, let us see the definition of numerical control. A numerical control is a system in which actions are controlled by the direct insertion of numerical data at some point. The system must automatically interpret at least some portion of the data. Conventional numerical control. Here, the data is sent to the machine tool by means of punched cards or tapes. The reader at the machine performs no calculations or interpolation. No calculations or interpolations. So, an overview of numerical control we'll see here. A numerical control or NC system controls many machine functions and movements which were traditionally performed by skilled machinists. Numerical control developed out of the need to meet the requirements of high production rates, uniformity, and consistent part quality. Programmed instructions are converted into output signals, which in turn control machine operations such as spindle speeds, tool selection, tool movement, and cutting fluid flow. So here this program through the punched tape is fed to the machine control unit. The machine control unit will control the machine operation, that is spindle speed, tool selection, tool movement, and cutting fluid flow and all will be controlled by the machine control unit. This machine control unit is nothing but the art of the numerical control machine, and this program is fed to the machine control unit through magnetic tape or card reader. By integrating a computer processor, computer numerical control or CNC as it is now known allows part machining programs to be edited and stored in the computer memory as well as permitting diagnostics and quality control functions during the actual machining. So in numerical control, as the it is saved in the punched card, the programs cannot be edited once it is been written. That was the major disadvantage in the numerical control. So with the invent of computer, in computer numerical control, the programs can be edited if there is any change in the program. All CNC machining begins with a part program, which is a sequential instructions or coded commands that direct the specific machine functions. The part program may be manually generated or more commonly generated by computer aided part programming systems. So if you model the job in the modeling software, the simulation software will generate the part program to you. CNC machines, computer and numerical control. Conventionally, an operator decides and adjusts various machines parameters like feed, depth of cut, etc., depending on type of job, and controls the slide movements by hand. In a CNC machine functions In a CNC, machine functions and slide movements are controlled by motors using computer programs. So conventionally what happens, the operator will move the movement. Here the machine functions whatever the instructions of program is been written in the program. So let us see how CNC work. The machine manufacturing operator feeds the numerical data, that is NC code, that is part program is inserted into the machine control unit of the CNC. In machine control unit, through the numerical control, that is machine control unit, all the data processes takes place, and according to the program prepared, it prepares all the motion commands and sends it to the driving system and sends it to the driving system, that is drive control, to the machine unit. The drive system works as the motion commands are sent by MCU, that is machine control unit. The drive system controls the motion and velocity of the machine tool. It controls the velocity and motion as well. A display unit is used to see all the command program and other important acts as the eye of the machine. So once the machining is processed, the part comes out of the machine unit. Now let us see elements of CNC system. The block diagram of elements of CNC system is shown here. Here it is a machine control unit. So input device, through the input device the part program is fed to the machine control unit. This machine control unit processes the data and generates the control loop unit. This data processed is given, motion data is given to the driving system, and miscellaneous function that is spindle on, coolant on is given to the machine tool. And we have a feedback system also regarding the position feedback and velocity feedback. Again it is sent to the machine control unit. Based on the feedback, again it will generate the control signals to the machine tool and the driving system. Now let us see one by one. Input device, these are the devices which are used to input the part program in the CNC machine. There are three commonly used input devices, and these are punch tape reader, magnetic tape reader, and computer via RS-232C communication. Machine control unit, it is the art of the CNC machine. It performs all the controlling action of the CNC machine. The various functions performed by the machine control unit are: it reads the coded instruction fed into it, it decodes the instruction, it implements interpolation, linear, circular, and helical to generate axis motion commands. It feeds the axis motion commands to the amplifier circuits for driving the axis mechanism. It receives the feedback signals of position and speed for each drive axis. It implements the auxiliary control functions such as coolant or spindle on or off and tool change. That is nothing but the miscellaneous function what we have seen in the block diagram. A machine tool, a CNC machine tool always has a slide table and a spindle to control of the position and speed. The machine table is controlled in X and Y axis direction, and the spindle is controlled in the Z axis direction. The driving system of a CNC machine consists of amplifier circuits, drive motors, and ball lead screw. The machine control unit feeds the signal, that is of position and speed of each axis, to the amplifier circuits. The control signals are then augmented, that is increased, to actuate the drive motors, and the actuated drive motors rotate the ball lead screw to position the machine table. We have a feedback system also. This system consists of transducers that act as sensors. It is also called a measuring system. It contains position and speed transducers that continuously monitor the position and speed of the cutting tool located at any instant. The machine control unit receives the signals from these transducers, and it uses the difference between the reference signals and feedback signals to generate the control signals for correcting the position and speed errors. Finally, a display unit is used. A monitor is used to display the programs, commands, and other useful data of CNC machine, which helps the operator, that is CNC operator. So in the next class we discuss about other topics of this particular computer numerical control. Thank you, dear friends.